Top 5 Secrets to Boost Your Credit Score in January. Hey there, savvy spenders and finance wizards. Welcome to CreditWise USA, your go-to channel for transforming your financial health. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and incredibly important: boosting your credit score in January. Why January? It's the perfect time to set the tone for a financially successful year. And guess what? I've got not one, not two, but 5 incredible secrets to share with you. These aren't just any tips. They are game changers that can significantly elevate your credit score. And you'll want to stick around because secret number 1 is a mind-blowing trick involving a credit card that could revolutionize your credit journey. So, grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to a stellar credit score. 5. Master your credit report, the foundation of your credit health. At number 5, we have the cornerstone of credit wisdom: mastering your credit report. Imagine your credit report as a detailed script of your financial life. Every loan, every credit card, every payment you've ever made, it's all there. But here's the catch. Errors in this script can turn your financial story into a nightmare. Incorrect information, fraudulent accounts, or misreported payments can unfairly pull down your score. That's why you need to be the director of this script. Regularly check your credit report for inaccuracies. You can get a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Study it, understand it, and if you find errors, dispute them. This step is like laying the foundation of a house. It's crucial for everything that follows. 4. Optimize your credit utilization, the secret lever of credit scores. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about a powerful lever in the credit score machine: your credit utilization ratio. This is simply how much of your available credit you're using. It's a key factor because it accounts for almost a third of your credit score. The golden rule? Keep your utilization below 30%. But why stop there? Lower is better. For instance, if you have a credit limit of $10,000 across all cards, try to keep your total balances under $3,000. But how, you ask? Here's where strategy comes in. Pay down your balances, but also consider asking for higher credit limits, only if you won't be tempted to spend more. This isn't just about spending less, it's about managing credit more intelligently. It's like being a juggler. The more skillfully you manage your credit, the more impressive your credit score performance. 3. Never miss a payment, your credit score's best friend. And at number 3, we have perhaps the most straightforward yet crucial advice: never miss a payment. Late or missed payments are like heavy anchors dragging down your credit score ship. They signal risk to lenders and can stay on your report for up to 7 years. The solution? 2 words: payment reminders. In today's digital age, there's no excuse for forgetting a payment. Set up calendar alerts, use your bank's reminder services, or even better, automate those payments. This way, you're not just avoiding late fees. You're building a reputation as a reliable borrower. Consistent on-time payments are like the steady heartbeat of your credit health. They keep everything else running smoothly. 2. Diversify your credit mix, showcasing your financial versatility. At number 2, we're talking about diversifying your credit mix. This might sound complex, but it's really about showing lenders that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Your credit mix could include credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, finance company accounts, and mortgages. Why does this matter? Because it accounts for 10% of your credit score. It's like a financial audition where you demonstrate your ability to juggle various credit roles effectively. However, it's essential to approach this wisely. Don't take on loans or credit lines you don't need just to improve your mix. That's like adding unnecessary characters to a movie. It can complicate things. Instead, let it build naturally over time. For example, a car loan, a credit card, and a student loan offer a balanced mix. Each one shows a different facet of your financial responsibility. By managing these diverse types of credit well, you're sending a strong message to potential lenders about your creditworthiness. 1. The strategic use of secured credit cards. The ace in the hole. And now, the most anticipated secret, number 1. the strategic use of secured credit cards. This isn't just any tip, it's a powerful tool, especially for those looking to build or rebuild their credit. A secured credit card requires a cash deposit that becomes your credit limit. This reduces risk for the lender, making it easier to get approved compared to standard credit cards. Here's why it's so effective. When you use a secured card responsibly, you're showing that you can manage credit wisely. It's like training wheels for your credit score. Keep the balance low, ideally under 30% of your limit, and pay it off in full each month. This consistent, responsible use gets reported to the credit bureaus, contributing positively to your credit history and score. But there's a twist: not all secured cards are created equal. Look for ones that report to all 3 major credit bureaus, have low fees, and offer the possibility of conversion to an unsecured card. This is like choosing the right tool for a job. The right secured card can be a credit score builder par excellence. By using a secured card smartly, you're not just playing the credit game, you're winning it. And that's what boosting your credit score is all about. And that's it, friends. Your essential guide to boosting your credit score, right from CreditWise USA. We've covered everything from understanding your credit report to smartly using secured credit cards, all aimed at enhancing your financial well-being. Remember, improving your credit score is about more than just numbers. It's about achieving your financial dreams. We're here to support you on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Here's to wise credit decisions and achieving financial success. Stay informed, stay credit-wise, and keep pursuing financial freedom.